Yeah. You seriously think I chopped all them? The only thing I can chop is a bloody carrot. Facebook Market, 90 bucks, bargain. I've got to cover these up though, because I've got a storm coming. And it's going to get cold and everyone's panicking. Stocked up on firewood though. That'll last a while. That'll do. So now winter's gone and there's no creepy crawlies. I want to go back there because it's the first time. Well, I've never been back there, so me and you are going to go back there and see what it's like before I cook my baked bean toasty. So I've got plans back there. So, and there's no creepy crawlies, there's no spiders, there's no bloody snakes. It's just deer, which I'm fine about. They're beautiful. But yeah, I want to go back there, have a look. Come on, let's have a gander goose. Let's have a look. What the hell's that? Oh yes. Oh. All right. All the foliage is gone. Let's take a look. Wow. It goes back far, so look at that. Definitely gonna get rid of some of these trees. It's bloody freezing. I want to go over there, that's what I'm interested in. But it goes on, it goes on, it just goes on, it carries on. Because that's, well, in fact, you can't see my house. My house is there, right there. But as you can see, there's a lot of land, and now I've seen it, I've got plans back here. I have got some plans back here, but we definitely want to get rid of some of these trees. There's a lot of dead trees back here. But yeah, clear all this out. I want to do a greenhouse. Me and my wife thinking about building a greenhouse. Not me, it will never get built, but hire someone to actually do it. But yeah, oh yeah, there's a lot of potential here. It's exciting. All right, let's cook the toasty. In fact, I'm going to pick a spot and I'm going to cook it. I hope some deer come. Doubt it though. Yeah, there's a lot of leaves, but I've got a solution for that. It's this. I got one of these beauties. 3-in-1 cordless leaf blower, vacuum. So I've got to get a battery for that. The only thing is, it doesn't come with a battery, so I think I've got one. So I'll put that to use as well, which I can't stand doing leaves, but this will help, definitely. There you go, there's one there, look. I've seen about 15 deer, there's one right there. One right there. You're looking straight at me. I can zoom in, can I zoom in? Two there, 2 deer. Where they gone? I just seen 15 deer just run. My house is there. As soon as I walked down here, there must have been 20, 15 just having a group meeting or something. And as soon as they heard me, boom, they scattered. I wonder if I do cook some food, which I am going to do, they might flock in and see what I'm doing. Be interesting. First, I'm going to get the bacon in. Don't need any oil. Then. I've lost my wooden spoon. It's a good job I got a backup, but I want to get my bacon nice and crispy, and it's crisping up nicely now, that. In fact, it's pretty much done. Got some baked beans. I tried to get some Heinz baked beans, but I just couldn't find any. But let's open this up. Oh, please work. Please work. Have I got a faulty can opener, or I just can't use it? Please, please, please. Oh, yes. Yes, we did it. We did it. Got my beans in. Oh, yes. Get my bacon in. A little bit of fat, get that fat in. I want these baked beans to be reduced down. I want them to be thick. I don't want them to be runny because they'll just fall off the bread. I want the bread and the beans to hold. So I'm gonna reduce it down, and the flavor will intensify, and that bacon will just come out, all that fat as well. And oh, it'd be good. Also, you can add a bit of onion in here. Onion would be nice in here. Some nice red, sweet onion, but I'm not bothered. Now, it's getting nice and thick now. I've got to keep stirring it because it'll stick to the pan. But I used to have these when I was a kid, a baked bean toasty. That's what I call them, a baked bean toasty. And I have them now and again now, but first time I've actually cooked one outside. And the outside just makes everything taste better, smells better, and I just love cooking outside. I'm very blessed to have this, you know, outside, in front of my doorstep, basically. It's getting thick. Right, my beans are thick. I'm gonna add some Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire sauce, or Worcester sauce. A little bit of that in there. And for a little bit of kick, a little bit of spice, tapatio. Yes, I like a bit of spice. Give that a good stir. Oh, that smells so good. And some nice crusty bread for this. How thick shall I do that? And about there. Oh, I'm going to have more than one. This is quite a small loaf. Right, at this stage it's all about heat control. If your pan's on too high, you're going to burn the outside of that bread, and everything in the middle, the baked beans, the cheese is just going to not melt. So you just got to be careful. And also I'm using the bacon fat. Get some of that bacon fat on that bread. So yeah. So I'm going to do these in batches. All about heat control right now. If you mess this up, that's it. You're gonna have a crappy sandwich. That is delicious. Do you know when you just fancy something, just craving for something? Well, the baked bean toasty, that's what I was craving. And it tastes so much better when you're craving them, and when you're outside, that smell, I love it. Love it. And I don't care if it's cold.